Special one-time offer for fresh title customers only. Grab your instant 50% off discount to Traffic Spy Plus Traffic Backdoor Insiders course. When it comes to generating traffic, I have a dirty confession. I'm a big cheat. I figured out a way to leverage other people's hard work and create a traffic virus that infects and spreads across the internet. Unlike most people that claim to be traffic experts, I actually walk the walk and practice what I preach. And that's why I've been able to use the following methods to generate more traffic than I can handle. Traffic spikes like these. What's included in the Traffic Backdoor Insiders course? Module 1. How to take hyper-targeted traffic from Facebook pages, groups and events. Watch as I go under the cover of darkness and attract tons of free leads to whatever I'm promoting. I'll show you how I was able to generate 698 likes to my fan page for dirt cheap penny likes. Module 2. I'll show you the right way to tap into authority YouTube channels. Best part is, you don't even need to create videos or be an expert. Module 3. You can waste days or even weeks going round in circles on LinkedIn. Or you can do it my way and get results like the ones below. You'll kick yourself once you see how it's done. Module 4. How you can create spikes of traffic with passionate Pinterest users. I love Pinterest, and if you follow my method I've perfected, Pinterest will love you too. It's embarrassingly easy with my approach. Module 5. Forget months of work and waiting in line. I'll show you how to get Google traffic in days instead. SEO experts are gonna hate my guts once they see this, as I'll be putting a lot of them out of work. Module 6. Forum Backdoor. Forums are a goldmine of targeted traffic, but they're also closely guarded communities, so you need to follow my method step by step to succeed here. It only takes a few minutes each day to get serious traffic from forums. Module 7. Email Backdoor. If you don't have time to build a list of email subscribers, then borrow them instead. This module shows you how I was able to get tons of exposure for a private 24-hour offer I was holding. Some common questions our customers ask. I found a ton of high-traffic videos, groups, and publishers. Now what? Whether you pay them for their traffic as an affiliate, buy traffic directly as an advertiser, or simply infiltrate their audience by contributing content and helping them out, there has never been an easier way to find these people than today. Does this run on Windows or Mac? Traffic Spy runs on Adobe Air, which means you can use it on both Windows and Mac machines.